Hey everyone! Glowing Star, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Garmin Venu 4, a smartwatch that's poised to redefine wearable tech. Scheduled to launch in late 2024 with a price tag of approximately $450, this device is already creating a buzz among fitness enthusiasts, tech lovers, and anyone who appreciates functionality with a touch of style. Let's explore why the Garmin Venu 4 is generating so much excitement. Design and build. Let's kick things off with the design. The Garmin Venu 4 is sleek, durable, and lightweight, making it perfect for almost any setting. Whether you're heading to the gym, attending a formal meeting, or just going out for a casual stroll, this smartwatch fits seamlessly into your daily routine. Its standout feature is the hybrid display, ensuring clear visibility no matter where you are. Indoors or outdoors, checking your notifications, tracking your workout stats, or keeping an eye on your health metrics is always easy and stress-free. Health and wellness features? Now, let's dive into the health and wellness features. The Garmin Venu 4 is packed with tools to help you monitor and improve your overall well-being. One of its most impressive features is the built-in ECG heart monitor, allowing you to track your heart health in real time. This is a game-changer for anyone looking to keep a closer eye on their cardiovascular fitness. But that's not all. The Venu 4 also includes body temperature monitoring, blood oxygen measurement, and stress tracking. These features work together to give you a complete picture of your health, helping you stay informed and proactive about your wellness. Rest and recovery? When it comes to rest and recovery, the Venu 4 doesn't disappoint. It tracks your sleep quality and provides insights to help you sleep better. Whether you're training for a big event or simply aiming for a healthier lifestyle, these tools make it easier to achieve your goals. Fitness tracking? Fitness enthusiasts rejoice. The Garmin Venu 4 features built-in GPS, ensuring accurate tracking for activities like running, cycling, swimming, and even strength training. Whether you're exploring a new trail or measuring your pace in a swim, this smartwatch has you covered. It offers multiple fitness modes, making it versatile enough for a wide range of workouts. From beginners to seasoned athletes, the Venu 4 adapts to your needs, acting like a personal coach right on your wrist. Connectivity and convenience. Staying connected and simplifying your routine is easier than ever with the Garmin Venu 4. Its smart notification system lets you receive calls, messages, and alerts directly on your wrist, keeping you in the loop even when your phone isn't nearby. The smartwatch also includes Garmin Pay, a feature that allows you to make secure contactless payments on the go. No need to fumble for your wallet or phone. Plus, with built-in music storage, you can enjoy your favorite tunes during workouts or on the move without needing a separate device. And let's not forget its water resistance, making it a reliable companion for swimming and other water sports. Whether you're diving into a pool or just caught in the rain, the Venu 4 keeps up with your active lifestyle. Versatility and style. One of the standout aspects of the Garmin Venu 4 is its versatility. Its elegant yet rugged design means it transitions effortlessly between different activities and occasions. Whether you're sweating it out at the gym, attending a formal event, or relaxing at home, this smartwatch fits in perfectly. It's not just a device, it's an accessory that complements your life no matter where you go.